Gentlemen, we're about to start having casket wrap class. You're gonna come and learn how to actually wrap the casket and get your corners tight, get your corners right. We ain't gonna play with you, not at all. You're gonna learn how to layer it down and have it looking beautiful. You're gonna learn how to cut it down the middle. You did. You're gonna learn how to use your heat gun properly, that you don't mess nothing up and that you don't have to do a reprint or nothing like that. You're gonna learn how to use all your tools like this right here, and like the magnets and the other stuff that we use. So when y'all ready to actually learn this class, man, and you serious about actually doing this full-time or part-time, this makes great supplemental income. And if you're serious about doing it and you want to do it full-time, man, you will not be upset at the amount of money you can make. All you got to lock down is one funeral home. If you get one funeral home, and we'll actually show you how to do that as well, how to go out and talk to them, how to present yourself. So this is a full-fledged, all-around casket wrap class, ladies and gentlemen. And these right here only have the tops on them, but we're gonna show y'all how to do the bottoms as well. So you gonna know what to do when you leave here. It ain't gonna be no questions at all. How to do it, why you're doing it. You're gonna get it down packed. Now, we don't have nothing in the inside of ours because we using ours as practice caskets, but we're gonna show you how to get good, clean lines. Look at this. Good, clean lines down there. Your stuff gonna be professional. It ain't gonna look Rudy Poo. Trying to put y'all on some game. So if you wanna know how to do casket wraps the correct way, you don't wanna get juked out your money, somebody talking fast and don't really wanna teach you, and they ain't really showing you nothing that you can take to the bank. Oh, plus we're going to equip you. I'm sorry, I don't know if I showed you that we're gonna show you how to actually use all these tools. So we're gonna show you how to use these tools, but we're gonna actually equip you with all the tools you need, so you won't have to buy nothing for a while. You're gonna have magnets like these up here. You're gonna have towels. You're gonna have snitty knives. You're gonna have the knifeless tape. This is what we use right here to get that good clean line going across the front. So guys, I'm trying to tell you, you wanna learn how to do casket wrap, this is where you wanna be. And we got 2 caskets in here, but we're gonna keep our classes nice and small and intimate. So it's only gonna be 4 people classes. We don't need more than that. This way you wanna be, guys. So, all right, if y'all can just kind of do like a little like this, like you showing it off or something. Yeah. Exactly, there we go. So give me a little cheese. Exactly, give me a little cheese, Don. Yeah, exactly, there you go. Now let me come in there right quick, hold on.
Gotcha.
You did this, you did? You did.
Yeah, Henry was a good man.
All right, now y'all stay over here, because I also want to give y'all these certificates of completion. This is yours. Nemo, right? Naima. That's Naima? Jeez, that looks like Nemo. Okay, well, that's y'all certificate of completion, so if anybody needs to question y'all authenticity, you can bust that out, show it to them and say, look, I'm certified to do this right here.
Yeah, what y'all said.
Exactly, and if y'all need to get further education, y'all know y'all can always come back, but I think y'all good though. Just do the stuff that we talked about and y'all should be good to go. Yup, that's it. Stand on the other side and just be like, towards the casket. Yes, there you go. All right, praise God. I'm going to award Alita Monique Caldwell her certificate, and also Miss India Davenport. I know some Davenports.
Thank you.
Alrighty, those are their certificates, guys. They did this casket wrap by themselves.
Yeah.
Wrap that casket, looks beautiful. So when y'all ready to learn how to do y'all casket wrap, y'all need to come to Techbot Customs casket wrap class, and we're gonna get y'all right today. So. And you get certification, and you get to wrap the entire casket, not just a corner, not just the top. You do the entire casket, top, bottom, all the way around. So that's what they did today, guys. So I'm gonna take a picture with them.
Yes.
How y'all doing?
The best instructor.
You got it.
Right.
You got it.
Yeah.
Come on, man. I don't want to hear you acting like them talking about I ain't looking right now. Get on over there. All right, now.
How to do corners.
Exactly. Everybody looking beautiful. But it's actually on video, so wait.
Come on, get in.
Casket wrap class 2025, you dig? All right, thank y'all so much. Thank y'all.
Awesome.
Looking great.
This is so awesome. You guys are awesome. Oh, great class.
All right.
Can we take a few selfies with them?
Yeah, go ahead. Yup, go ahead.
Yeah, Lord have mercy. You look.
All right, they got their certificates, ladies and gentlemen. They got through doing their thing today. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He over
Let me
here.
get a picture. Let me get a picture.
Yeah, bust it open, bust it.
Man.
You got enough time down.
Oh, Jesus, you got it coming out of there. Look at that, Mr. Patrick Lawful. All right now.
Certified.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the creation that they did. They wrapped the casket today, looking beautiful. You dig? Yeah, they did they thug thizzle. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. And when y'all ready to learn how to wrap a casket like this,
Yeah, she done now. I need to be on.
Auntie be going to the place.
I can get employed. You want breakfast?
Didn't last night?
You over like King Duke.
That's why I was like, I'm glad. I knew my daughter came out here.
ladies and gentlemen, y'all looking fantastic over there, man, standing in front of that camera. I'm gonna pull this camera out in a minute and get some up close pics, but I want to present to you guys your certificates of completion. Guys, they got done in record time too. They got done probably, realistically, about 45 minutes ahead of time. That's the first. So I don't want to say they the best casket right class, nothing like that, but I'm just saying though, they did their thing. So Patrick Turner, that's for you, my brother. All right, that's for Patrick Turner, and this is for Delvin. How you say your last name? Newell. The Devin Newell, Patrick Turner, man. This is the creation that they did, guys. Y'all need to come to Techbot Customs when y'all ready to get down and get y'all skills up in doing casket wrap classes. That looks very good to me. So now I'm going to take this off of here because I need to see what this thing look like up close. Y'all good. So if y'all need to show that certification to anybody, they like, man, you don't know what you're doing. No, bro. No, bro, we good. Tight corners, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Ooh, look at the cuts on here. Man, look at them corners. Look at that. I'm telling you, they did all this by themselves. Yes, I instructed. I helped out a little bit, but I'm going to be honest. Today, I probably stepped out for about an hour. They was in here just doing them. Looks fantastic. Fan-freaking-tastic. Yeah, I like this, bro. Y'all really did that. Real talk. So y'all, I just whipped up the artwork, something for them. Oh, you know what? Let me get in closer. Y'all can look at that. Little artwork, little something. Be honest, the artwork don't even matter. It's about the wrap, the quality of the wrap. Good work, ladies and gentlemen.
Y'all ready to put Rose in the ground now?
Rose one in the ground. Rosie Day. We'll see you later, baby. You serve your purpose. Thank you so very much. I've got these boys looking good today. Congratulations, gentlemen. Yes, sir. I'll holler at y'all later, all right? Peace.